Waz here from B&B. What are we doing today? Okay, here we have the Alpine 11-inch fitted into a T6.1. Biggest problems we were having with these was the SOS retention. Used to flag up a fault. We have in the past coded it out, but some dealers don't like that because when the car goes in for a service, it flags up a fault for them. So we finally managed to source a part which allows the SOS to keep active and work as factory intended. So we've taken the original radio out, added a Alpine 11-inch Apple CarPlay wireless unit, full steering wheel controls, haven't really lost any function. Added a C2 adapter which gives all the vehicle original settings to be controlled. If interested, get in touch. Waz, B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Thank you.